Today, 10 real American phrases that Americans use every single day. Not from textbooks, not from classrooms, not even from their teachers. Just from real day-to-day conversation that every single American uses every single day. Number 1, you bet. If someone from outside America hears "you bet," they think it must be something about gambling, what the heck? But it is not. Nope. You bet means absolutely. Bet is a very warm yes. So bet means you bet means absolutely. Of course. One example. Will you come tonight? You bet. Yes, I will. Of course, I will. Can you help me with this? You bet. So what's the difference between you bet and yes? Yes is neutral. Yes. You bet. It's absolutely. No question about it. I will do it. Number 2, no kidding. Textbooks say really, but real Americans say no kidding. No kidding, seriously. No kidding is just like, are you serious? I'm so surprised. Tell me please. I got promoted. No kidding? Surprised. Number 3, hang on. Americans don't just say, wait. I'll do it. Give me a second. They say, hang on. Hang on has different meanings, depends on the context, such as, hang on, wait and give me a second. Hang on, something's not right, something's not correct, right? Hang on as, let me check. Hang on, I'm coming. Hang on, wait. But don't say just wait, like hang on, I need a minute. All right, hang on, something's not right. It was not supposed to be like that. See, hang on has dozens of situations. All right. But you have to speak English so you can understand that one. So that's why we are doing these 10 phrases. 4, Whatcha. Whatcha. This is so confusing. We have 3 words. What are you? But you won't hear what are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? So these 3 words have just that one sound, like whatcha. And it's so cool. Americans use that every single day. Whatcha doing? Whatcha eating? Whatcha thinking? Whatcha mean? What you mean? Like, I don't get you. 5, kinda. Kinda is short of kind of, sort of, but you say kinda, like it's less direct. Kinda is more casual and less direct. Did you like that movie? What you think about that movie? Well, kinda boring. Kinda not really my cup of tea. So less direct, but still you say what you want to say. Number 6 is my favorite. You'll love it. You all love it. You'll love it. You'll replaces you all. It is Southern American English, but now used everywhere. You all ready to learn more? You all ready to go? Y'all is also very casual, it's very inclusive, and it's very warm. British English will be you all, while in American it's y'all. Number 7 is my favorite as well. Ain't. Ain't your business. Your teacher probably said, ain't's not the word, don't use it. So your teacher was wrong. Ain't is what we use every single day by every single American. So ain't is ain't instead of am not, is not, are not. Ain't. Ain't. 8. Number 8. Gimme. Gimme. But this time we do gimme as give me and give me a break. Give me a break, please. Also very American. Give me a second. All right. Give me some time to think. Give me that. Give me. But give me a break. Give me a break. Stop it.
You serious? This is ridiculous. You need to work on Sunday. Give me a break. You gotta come immediately. Give me a break.
Number 9. DUNNO. 3 words become one sound. I don't know. DUNNO. DUNNO.
Why did he do that?
DUNNO. Ask him. What do you want for dinner? DUNNO. You pick. DUNNO is honest, direct, and real American English. Finally, number 10. Beats me. Oh, not like that. There's nothing violent with it.
Beats me means no idea. I have no idea. Beats me. No idea. I don't know. You got me.
Now you've been asking yourself, DUNNO and beats me, so what's the difference? DUNNO is I don't know and I don't care. Beats me is genuinely I have no idea. One more. No way and you kidding? Similar but yet different. No kidding, surprised but believable. Alright? No way, not a single chance. 10 phrases, real American English. Let's recap.